How to rasterize a layer in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome once again to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I would be showing you how we can rasterize a layer in Photopea. So how can you rasterize a layer in Photopea? It is very simple. Just follow me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and then log in into your Photopea account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your Photopea page. As you can see options like new projects, open for computer, template, install Photopea. Then by the left side, you'll see other options as well. And the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on new project. All right, this is if you want to work with a new project. And once you've clicked on new projects, you'll be taken to a page where you can see the project name, where you can edit the project name, the width, the height, the background, the template. Okay, or you can just decide to click on create. Once you click on create, you'll be able to start afresh or start from the basis or start a new design or a new project. But if you just want to work with the templates, you can just double click on the template that you would love to work with. Now once you selected the templates, you'll be brought to the project editors page. On this page, next thing to do is to move to the right side of the screen where you can see other options such as layers, channels, path, normal, opacity, and then you can see all of the available layers here. So the next thing for you to do is to select the layer that you would like to rasterize. So if this is the layer, all you need to do is to place your cursor on the layers icon and then left click on it. Once you've left clicked on it, a box will be displayed where you can now edit this layer to fit what you want. And then you can see options like blending options, select pixels, duplicate layer, delete, etc. Then you can see rasterize. All right, so just click on it. There was a click on rasterize. That way you can see that the text icon has been deleted, like has been rasterized automatically. All right, and the same thing goes for the background. If you want to rasterize the background as the layer that you like to rasterize, just left click on this way and then the box, please select rasterize, and then the background will also be rasterized. So that's how it is. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.